very much.
This is the 28th state where I have gone to, 28. By this night, I would have done the remaining 6. That means I'm not one of the aspirants. I'm the leading aspirant of APC. I thought it should say so. Again, as a party, I welcome my friend who wants to run. He's a young man. He's entitled to run for the office of the president. But as a young man, he should allow those of us who are young, who are older, slightly older than him. Because it takes much more than being a young man to govern the state. I'm more experienced. I'm 56, I'll be 57, May 27, and I started quite early. At 34, I was speaker. At 42, I was governor. At 50, I was minister. At 58, I'll be president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Inshallah. So when you see him, tell him that I want your vote. There are other positions available in the country and in the cabinet. We will consider everybody. Trust me, we'll consider everybody. We will come back to appoint the minister coming from Kogi. We will come to Kogi and allow Kogi people to nominate who they want when we get it. The reason for that is to get people involved so that you can own your minister, so your minister will know that he's responsible to you. We'll do that. But you must vote. Don't vote for anybody else. That will be a waste of vote. If you vote for me and I win, that's when you become responsible. If you don't vote for me and I win, sure, that's a problem. I will still consider you, I will still come to you, but I will make you know that you should not make mistakes another day. Because mistakes are not good for people to make. You need to be responsible and ensure that you vote for the right candidate. I just told you what I have, what I've been. I told you what I've been. I told you I was speaker. Don't forget that speaker, I was chairman of Speakers Forum twice. That's experience. As governor, I was chairman of Governors Forum twice. That's experience. As DG of campaign, you saw the multitude of people that I dealt with as DG of campaign. And they followed me. I managed the campaign. I managed everybody. And at the end of the day, we elected President Buhari. The first time in Nigeria that we removed an incumbent government. What do you see in Nigeria? Incumbency, because we removed. But we are determined, as we are determined now, we are determined and we removed a PDP government and put an APC government. Ask your governor. I'm not sure he was one of us then when we used to meet. Everyone should have known a lot of things that we used to discuss then. But today, he's governor of the state. We must respect him. We must listen to him, but don't listen to him when it comes to vote. Vote for me. Thank you.
We shall replicate him for the All Progressives Congress in 2023. It will interest you to know, sir, that we came from a backward opposition position to 95% electoral victory in 2019. Your Excellency recalls that he was very elated during your Thanksgiving and prayer and declaration when you physically showed your stamina by running around the field. No doubt, the next president must come to the table with physical and mental fitness, because the job and task at hand is enormous for the next president. His Excellency wants to let you know that he still remains the youngest and fittest for this great task ahead, with experience of those of you who are leading in leadership since 1999 when this Fourth Republic began. The delegates are here, they've heard you. You have told them we should vote correctly for the person that will win. Like you know, sir, we are a people of absolute loyalty as a state and even as a nation. We are loyal to Mr. President, President Muhammadu Buhari, 100%. And for those of us that are delegates and foot soldiers in Kogi, we are loyal to our principal, His Excellency Yahaya Bello, 100%. I would believe that when you and him meet and speak together, he will give us the directive what to do on the day of primaries. We believe that God will give Nigeria the best president that can secure, unite, and prosper this great country. And we believe that when that time comes, APC will deliver 100%.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.